When facing anxiety and depression, best advice is to seek medical and professional help. Drink your meds, make yourself happy. Don't feel na alone ka, yes. Stay happy, do your best every day, and have that smile in your face. Okay, yes, opo, okay. When facing anxiety and depression, go out, be with friends. Socialize, yes. Use the social media or meet them. Physically, conversation matters. Okay, opo, yes, okay. When facing anxiety and depression, relax, go and walk around the subdivision to get some fresh air and sunlight. When facing anxiety and depression, mag-vlog ka kaya. Something to do. Keep yourself busy, oo, okay. Watch the TV, news. Anime, listen to music. Create a manga, art. Drawing. When facing anxiety and depression, watch the sunset or even sunrise. The night sky, the stars, okay. Okay, clouds, oo. Pray, number one thing to do. Kapit kay God, yes, okay. When facing anxiety and depression, read the Bible, install Bible apps. Yes, okay. When facing anxiety and depression, it is a struggle to overcome, to face. Challenges do come our way, okay? Oo, totoo, yes. When facing anxiety and depression, pray, always trust God. Trust the process of healing. Okay, oo, totoo, yes. When facing anxiety and depression, don't lose hope, trust yourself. Believe. When facing anxiety and depression, God has good plans. When facing anxiety and depression, write it all out, journal. Oo, okay, yes, opo. Totoo, okay. Say your feelings. Honestly, and yun totoo. Let it all out, okay. When facing anxiety and depression, face it, harapin mo. With courage, confidence, and just to believe na it will pass. Oo, okay. Oo, totoo. Totoo, yes, okay. Opo. When facing anxiety and depression, buksan ang bintana, ilaw. Nakakatulong yan. Magpahangin ka, oo. Ako may anxiety at depression din ako. Honestly, di ko nga kaya eh. Pero I could. Kaya ko din with prayers. Mas stronger ako now, okay? Now, ewan, okay? When facing anxiety and depression, talk to someone, okay? Eat donuts, cake. Iced coffee, okay? Speak up, dear. Like, comment, subscribe.